In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the product has inventory but shows as sold out on Shopify. It can be frustrating when a product clearly has inventory in your Shopify admin, but on your storefront it still appears as sold out. This is a common issue, and in 2025, the fixes remain straightforward once you know where to look. The first thing to check is whether the product is actually set to track inventory. Go to your Shopify admin here. Now click on Products here at the left side. Open the product with the issue and scroll to the inventory section. Make sure the track quantity box is checked. If it isn't, Shopify won't update stock levels automatically and the storefront might treat it as unavailable. Also confirm that the correct location is assigned, especially if you're using multiple fulfillment centers. Sometimes stock exists in one location but isn't connected to your online store channel. Another common reason is that the product or specific variant isn't marked as available on the online store sales channel. On the product page, look at the top right under Publishing or Sales Channels and Apps, and make sure the online store option is enabled. If it's not published to that channel, customers won't be able to purchase it even though inventory is there. You should also check the variants if the product has options like size or color. It's possible that one variant has stock but another is sold out. Customers might be seeing the default variant, the one without inventory, making the whole product look unavailable. Updating or reordering the default variant usually resolves this confusion. Once you confirm inventory tracking, sales channel availability, and variant stock, click Save and refresh your storefront. In nearly all cases, the sold out label will disappear and your products will display correctly as available. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.